Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with how to indent your rows in Smartsheet, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your sheets, create helpful groupings, and make your projects look clean and easy to follow. Indenting is key in Smartsheet for outlining tasks, managing hierarchies, or just keeping your information clear, so let's jump right in and make sure you know all the tricks to using it. Let's head over to the dashboard. This is your main control center in Smartsheet and where most of your action will take place. At the top, you'll see a button that says Add to Workspace. Click on this to get started. It's essentially like choosing which specific workspace or project you're going to work in. Nothing complicated here, just make sure you're in the right context for your tasks. Next, you'll need to select Gantt. Now, Gantt charts are super popular in Smartsheet for tracking timelines, dependencies, and tasks, so if you're looking to organize things visually, this is the best spot. Once you've entered the Gantt view, take a look at the top navigation bar. There is an indent button clearly labeled. Smartsheet likes to keep things intuitive so you won't have to hunt around for it. Here, where a little detail comes in. For indenting, you first need to select your primary column. This is usually the column with your main task names, projects, or modules, essentially whatever your sheet is organized around. Think of it like the backbone of your project. Make sure you click on the cell you want to indent. Now, here's something important to remember. You can only apply an indent if there's a text or value listed in the row directly above what you're trying to indent. It's kind of like creating a folder within a folder. You need something to nest underneath. So let's say you're organizing a project called Website Launch, and you want to indent a task like Finalize Logo under Design Phase. As long as Design Phase is right above Finalize Logo in your list, you're good to go. Once you've got your row selected, click the indent button in the navigation. You'll see your selected row shift slightly to the right, visually tucked under the row above. This gives you that clear hierarchy and helps everyone see which tasks fall under which categories. It's super useful for breaking down big projects into neat, manageable chunks. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, Smartsheet's got you covered. Instead of clicking the indent button, you can simply press Ctrl and the close bracket key on your keyboard. Quick tip, this shortcut can speed things up a lot, especially if you're organizing a bunch of tasks at once. Don't worry if you forget the shortcut at first. Muscle memory builds up quickly as you work, and that's really all there is to it. Indenting in Smartsheet isn't just about making things look tidy. It's about structuring your data so it's easy to scan and manage, especially in large projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own Smartsheet tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.